This BOYON Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier guards against dry air in the home, perfect for those with colds, allergies, and dry skin. The easy fill 1.3-gallon tank covers the bedroom, living room and runs up to 30 hours. The humidity detection of the humidifier is the humidity around the product. Please know that excessive room size and ventilation will affect the accuracy of humidity. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 3 mist level and humidistant with monitor. Built-in Humidistat tells you the current RH, 3 mist level 120 ml per hour, 180 ml per hour, 280 ml per hour for different rooms and needs. You can set the desired humidity in a range of 40% to 90%. And the Beyond Humidifier will automatically adjust the room humidity according to the humidity value you set. This unique function maintains your preferred indoor humidity level. Number 2. Essential Oil Tray. The essential oil tray option helps create a relaxing environment with your favorite essential oil not included. The BOYON Air Humidifier disperses a soothing, cool mist into the air and is ultra-quiet, lesser than 30 dB. Meantime, you can choose a sleep mode. The display will go off, and the remote control allows you to operate from a distance. All of these features making it ideal to have on while you sleep. Number 3. Timer Auto Shut-Off Function. Easy to set up. 1 2 3 divided by 4 5 6 divided by 7 divided by 8 hours timer. When time is up, the unit will automatically turn off to ensure your safety and preventing any damage to the machine. It can also auto turn off when the water level is low or the water tank is removed. You can rest assured to let it continue to work. Note, don't lean it or move it when it's working. Number 4. Stay in optimum humidity. The 3 mist speed settings help you create a soothing, comfortable environment that's just to your liking. Attain the perfect level of humidity with the built-in humidity sensor in constant humidity mode, which displays accurate info on the LED display panel. You can set your favorite humidity level 40% to 90%. Constant humidity mode can keep the surrounding humidity at the level all the time. It's more than a simple measurement of humidity. Number 5. Essential Oil Tray. Enjoy the benefits of a relaxing atmosphere with our built-in essential oil tray. The 3-mode strong mist output gives you all the moisture you need while emitting your favorite aromas. Please don't add it to the water tank directly. Make sure you only put them in the essential oil tray on the bottom of the machine. P.S. Please note that essential oils are not recommended for cats or dogs. Number 6. Sleep Quality Insurance. Enter sleep mode to shut off the LED screen for a good sleep at night. A humidifier with an essential oil tray will take your relaxation to the next relaxed level. Helps you fall asleep faster. Ultrasonic technology produces less than 30 dB of noise, ensures the extremely quiet. The 1 to 8 hours timer functions for not wake up in the middle of the night with dry eyes, mouth and bloody nose. Came with a remote for easy control from your bed. Number 7. Prevent dry skin. Keep your skin moisturized and avoid itchiness or other skin problems with the BOYON Ultrasonic Humidifier. Number 8. Protect the family's health. BOYON Top Fill Humidifier is helpful to keep the output air clean and healthy. Better relieves dry throat and skin in winter. Number 9. Humidifier for houseplants. BOYON humidifiers can add moisture or humidity into the air and help to conserve plant moisture, thus lowering the rate of evapotranspiration in plants. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does the humidifier shut itself off when out or low on water? Answer. It will auto turn off when the water level is low or the water tank is removed. Question number 2. What size room can it cover? Answer. This humidifier can cover a room up to 21 feet by 21 feet. It has 3 mist levels that can be adjusted according to the room size. Question number 3. How do I add essential oils to the humidifier? Answer. Take out the optional essential oil tray on the side of the humidifier. Drop essential oil into it, and then put the tray back into the humidifier. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.